Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photos. So I'm going to click on my photos right here. Having opened up your Google Photo, next thing you want to do is to select the actual images that you want to transfer from Google Photo to your gallery. Like for instance, if I decide to transfer as many as possible photo from this photo right here, what we want to do is to click and hold down to select one photo. The next thing you want to do here is to click on share. The next thing you want to do here is to select your media gallery right here. However, in some cases, you may not see your media gallery in this section. If you cannot find your media gallery, click on more right here. Then here, you can swipe this way. The more you swipe, the more you see some of the media file gallery that you have on your Android phone or iPhone. So however, I'm going to share this particular photo to my File by Google download. Click on that on Android. So saving one file to download. So after a successful save the file to download, next thing we want to do here is to exit from here and locate that particular image. So I'm going to swipe this way and then go ahead and open up my files right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on downloads right here. So here we go. You have the image right here. Now for us to move this particular image to our media gallery, what we want to do is to click on this three dots right here. Then you have different options right here. So what you want to do next is to simply click on move to. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to your file media destination. So I'm going to still share it to my File by Google right here. I'm going to select the File by Google folder. Or better still, you can create a new folder as the case may be. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on move here. It's that simple. So I can go back right here and the image will be moved to my recently right here in my Google File Media Gallery on my Android phone. And this is the same procedure you need to follow if you are using iPhone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.